Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here today. What I have for you is my guest design team project for Nonstop Paper Crafts, and I worked with her latest kit, which is So Shabby. Has 17 pages in it. She also has some freebies. She's running events over at Line Dot Arrows Facebook group. And go on over there and get the freebies that she has and get her kit, and let's see what you can make with it. So I made a journal out of piano roll paper. This is the beginning of it. So this is what we have here, and I just thought it was too nice to cover it up too much. So we have this with some golden white twine. Get that out of the way. We have some scissors attached here. And you open it up, and we have one of the ladies from the kit with some lace. And on the inside, I had a little Singer manual, vintage one. I want to say it was from the 50s, but don't hold me to that. And this was in here, and I thought it was just perfect to make a pocket out of. And then I have a button card and a snap card. And on our first page, we have some lace, and we have a coilless safety pin. And then we come over here, we have some buttons, which were, I want to say was in one of the freebies. I have a die that die cut the hanger out. This is some parchment paper. We have a side tuck here with a journaling card. There's lots of writing space in this journal. We made a little tag here, has some button and some lace on it. And I love this for a tuck. And look at these little envelope, little calling card. They're so cute. We have a tuck here with a ruler from the kit, and this was a die that I had. We have lace all throughout the book. We have a belly band. This is a tape measuring ribbon that I have, and I thought that was a nice touch. We have paper here from a vintage pattern. And then this is from a sewing book, a little cross stitch pattern. Same with here, this is from a sewing book. We have a ruffle with some Tim Holtz fabric that is yardage stick, like a yard measuring tape. That's what the word I'm looking for. We have a pocket here with a journaling tag, and we have an envelope from the kit that I meant to put some stuff in. So let me grab some extras that I have, stick them in, so that whoever gets this journal will have some things to play with. And yes, this journal is available. A couple of dresses that you can color. If you're interested in the journal, you can send me an email or a message on Messenger or Instagram. And it's free shipping in the United States. So here's some backing paper, very pretty. There's a pocket with a button card from the kit. And this is beautiful, isn't that? Thought it went real nice on that page. Belly band, this is the center. And we have coat hanger. And we have a measuring tape, a button, scissors, and a little rose. Isn't that cute? We have a tag here. Another ruffle. Tag here. Little stenciling on the pocket. This is from the die that I have. It's the other half of that cross stitch pattern. Another belly band with a decorated tag. And another tag. And then here is some beautiful, look at that. Just love that sewing machine. And there you go. And that's the back, and it's all covered in lace. So I hope that you enjoyed that journal. And I will leave links for Suzanne's Etsy shop, her YouTube channel, and Line.Arrow's Facebook page, so that you can go over and get those freebies and play along with the events that Suzanne has going on right now using the kit and the freebies. So there you go. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.